Welcome to Olga's cooking show. Today I will do a very delicious soup. I love it so much. It's so good. You should taste it. First I will show you everything and then I will wash my hands because it's important. And then I will start. So here's the bowl. I will mix everything together. Here's the ladle. I have to mix everything. And some that maybe not know everything, but then I will taste, so tell it. So, and here's a knife, as you can see. And here's a food spoon. It's pretty little. And here's a teaspoon. It's even smaller. Here's a 1 dash, and it's bigger. And here we have some dandelions. And this is from the wild, and it makes the taste from the wild, so it's very good to have. Smells fresh also. And here we have some spruce needles. You can feel and see that they are kind of fresh. They're soft and smells good. And this makes from the nature. It comes from the nature, so it gives a taste of the nature also. So that's pretty good. And here you can see this. Here you can see it's the same that's in here, but you see, but the dark ones is old and it's hard, and you should not eat it because it's not good. So only the fresh ones I recommend. Here, dark dried soil. See, have in it, and some ash. You see, and of course some colored water. We must have. And some dog hair. It's, see, it's only little to fluff it up. And there's some dried orchids you can hear, and it will do it crispy. So, and that will be very good to eat them. And there's some bananas, of course. We must have bananas. And some water. You can see it's very old, so we'll have that. And here we have wasps, kind of 4 I think. You can see they're pretty small, but it will spice it up and do it more good. So, and it's kind of stingy, so maybe not everyone wants to eat it, but I want to, so yeah. And here spoon, and here's the plate. I will have it to eat it later then. And yeah, now I will start to wash my hands because that's important. So no bacteria comes into the food and you get sick. And everyone should do it before they cook. Well, cold water. So, okay, let's start. Okay, we have the bowl here. I will start to cut this. See, I have some here. And I put them everyone in the same line, so it be straight, kind of like that. And then I just take it like this and cut. Now we take this away. We take kind of 3 times we cut, so it gets normal size. And you can see it gets little yellow all over the place, but that's okay. But if you don't cut it, get big pieces, and that's not doing it good. So you should cut. This looks so good. You see here now? So, and now we take some bananas. Take some bananas here, you can see. And we'll cut it also small pieces, because if you have 2 big pieces, not the soup. Small pieces will make it good. That's the way I always have them. You see this banana is, you can see it looks very good, but it do more in the soup than you think. You maybe think it's gonna just destroy it, but it doesn't. So if you want the taste that the soup will give you, then you must have everything like you have, because otherwise it can get a little, and then it won't taste like this. So I know you can do what you want, but I want this soup like this, on my own way. I've always liked it like this. So you can put it like this so it goes faster. So fine. So put it in. See, that's done. And now we take these dandelions. I just joking with you, of course, but I just joking. This is of course spruce needles. I just joked. That was just joking. I couldn't. I was just doing it because I just like to joke, so I just do it. So that's my way. We cut this a little bit too, so it gets some of them. So I can take some whole because they're not so big. So, and now take the orchids. Sit straight, have the bowl, and now we don't cut this. We do like this, and this will do it crispy. And you can, when you eat it, then you feel the crisp in your teeth, and that's. It feels like very weird, but it's nice in the same way. So crisp. So, and some soil. Take on this, I think. Not really, but almost so. Put it like this. And some ash. Take 2 teaspoons. Should it be? Like this. So. And yeah, I think we'll take that one. And we will have, yeah, now we take the last one. It's the old water and the new water. This, it's only a little bit. And it's spicy. And spicy that, just a little. So, not too much. Not too. And the dog here you can take now. Put it like this in pieces. This fluffs it up. So, and all of this water is going in. So, now you will see how it is like this. And now I'll take the ladle and mix everything together, and then I'll show you how it is after. See, the color is like black green right now. But it should be like that. So, see the dog here? So, I think it's ready. So, and now I will take it with this. Take some of this. You can see here. So, take little so. And here's the spoon I'll have to eat. And if you want, you can take wasps. I showed you before. And you can take it before you put it on a plate, or after. You can do as you want. But I do it always after because it's the way I do it. So. You can see. Now we put it like this. And it's Only do a little bit. And now I will taste. Oh, this looks so good. Oh, it was as always. And that was the soup I was doing today. And maybe I'll do something later. We'll see. Yeah, and thank you so much, everyone. It has been so nice to do this to you. And I'm very glad I could do it. So, hope you see you next time. Bye!